Hey creators and digital warriors, welcome back to BlackSattai AI, where we review AI tools that save you time, money, and mental bandwidth. Today we're reviewing a tool that handles one of the most boring parts of content creation: posting, reposting, scheduling, repeat. Meet Metricool, your AI-powered publishing assistant. What is Metricool? Metricool is an all-in-one content planner and scheduler. It lets you connect platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and more. Then you plan your content once and Metricool posts it across all channels automatically. It also gives analytics, performance reports, and a visual calendar to plan everything ahead. How creators can use it: schedule YouTube Shorts plus Reels to go live, automatically post Instagram carousels, stories, Facebook posts, all from one place. Track what's working with built-in analytics, repurpose content across platforms without re-uploading manually. Plan your full content calendar weekly, monthly, even for clients. What's great: centralized content planner for all platforms, visual drag and drop calendar is super easy, smart analytics for performance tracking, reuse and repurpose posts save tons of time, team management, client sharing, bulk uploads smooth. What's missing? Some automation features are locked behind paid plans. No deep AI generation features, text image. It's a scheduler, not creator. UI can be overwhelming at first for beginners. Not ideal for advanced video editing or scripting workflows. Privacy and safety: Metricool connects to your platforms via official APIs, so you control what it posts, when, and where. No auto posting without your approval. Always double check connected permissions, and don't share client credentials openly. BlackSattai Verdict: Metricool doesn't try to be flashy. It's not here to generate viral ideas. But if you're serious about growing on multiple platforms, this tool will save you hours every week. If you create daily and feel drained just by posting, Metricool is your silent backstage manager. Another tool, another truth.